Last time we have talked about no match, and let's take this example here, where I have example 3, where I have employee list.stream. I am putting some filter object here. I am saying employee object where employee.getName is not equal to null. What I am saying, I am taking this employee object where employee.getName is not equal to null. Fine. Now I have done some mapping here, and on the first mapping I have bring employee object.getName. Okay, I have taken this name. Now I have passed this employee object. I have basically from filter I am getting all the employee objects where getName is not null. From that employee object I am getting employee.getName. If this is employee.getName, what is the type of it? Type is string. Okay. Now if type is string, in another map I am passing this employee.getName as it is here. So what are the name I am getting here? I am passing it here, and I am putting an object reference here and doing it to uppercase. Okay. Then I am collecting this to toList and putting this toList back to collect method. So what I think this will do, it will take all the employee names which are not null and convert them to uppercase. Let's see, do JDK work with us? And yes, this converting all the names to uppercase. Fine. Let me comment this back. Let me come here. Above example is with collect. I'm collecting it and then printing out. Here I'm not collecting it, but I'm mapping it twice only. After mapping it, instead of terminal operation collect, I'm putting it to direct for each and I'm printing it out. Here also I'm using the object reference, and again here I'm using the object reference. Okay, let's see what it's doing. It's again doing the same thing. It has printed everything in the same line. It has printed everything in different line due to this print error. Do this work? No, it is giving error. But if you will do this, it will print everything in the same line. See, everything is in the same line. It's Harun Singh and Mehul is starting from here. So that's why I have put it error. Fine. Let me comment this back. And now let me come on my this example where I have basically used reduce here. What I'm doing by reduce, I have an array list where I have some input like -2, 0, 4, 6, 8. And let me find sum of all these elements. Okay, I have -2, 0, 4, 6, 8. I have done array.stream. This is array. I have converted into stream. I have reduced it, and reduced number is 5. What is this reduced number actually? I will talk about this number. This number is very important here. After reducing this, giving this input, I have element 1 and element 2 where I am passing this element and I am doing an addition operation above this element. After doing this, I am returning this to this result sum and I am printing it out. Okay, let me do Control S. Let me do this 0 first for you. What is the sum of all these 5 numbers? 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 2, it is 16. And sum is 16. Okay. Now bring it to reduce 1. The sum of this number is 18. It is 17 here. Why? Let me show you back. 6 plus 4, it is 10. 10 plus 8, it is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16. But 16 plus 1 is 17. So this reduce, what it is doing, it is adding that number here. It is not taking this in a sequence. If I do this 30, this is 46. Because 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 2, 16. 16 plus 30, it is 46. And if I do it 100, it is 160. Now, let me come back here. Put this. Let me something. I have float value, notify field. What all methods here I have compared to int code, short float, short value, float value, toString, double value, equals, join, get class, notify all, wait. I don't have much method after reduce. Do I have map here? No, I have compared to here. Okay. I have try block here. Yes, I have try block here. Let me use how this try block comes. If I put a try block here, it is basically doing a try above all this sum here. I just need to put it semicolon. This is one way of doing a exception handling. Further, I will discuss in my further videos. Okay, let me comment this back. Now let me come here and decomment this part. Here I am getting the product of all the elements in given range excluding the rightmost element. I have to, I think, import this class. Fine. I have int product, int stream range 2, 4. I have a given range from 2 to 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I have to exclude the right element. To give the product of all the elements in given range excluding the rightmost element. What is the rightmost element? 4. So I have only 2 and 3. And here I have this number and I am doing the multiplication. 2 multiply 3, it is 6. So the answer should be 6. Now I am doing or else whatever, bring minus 1. In which condition this will come, I will show you. But now answer is 6. Okay. Let me increase this range to 5. Now 2 multiply to 3, 3 again, this multiplication 3 through the 6. 6 multiply 4, it would be 24. 24. 24 multiplied to 5, it's 120. Fine. If I do it 1, so 120 multiplied to 2, it's 240. 120 multiplied to 1. Because I'm not excluding the one number. I'm including it. Before it was 2 and now it was 1 and I'm multiplying it. That's why my product is again 120. So don't make this mistake. I'm including the leftmost element. I'm only excluding the rightmost element. Okay. Now let me do this. The product is minus 1. 1 multiply 0. 0 would not be included. So there is nothing multiplication happened here. Let me do this. Again, product is -1. Let me do this. Product is 1 because 1 multiply 1 would happen. So this is the or else condition which is coming into the picture. Let me comment this back. Here, if you want to see, let me show you one more thing. If after you or else, I can cast, field, par, or try where. Only these methods are available here. Let me comment this back. Now, there is one example in PPT that I have shown you where I have array as list and I'm doing some filtering on some integer number and I'm reducing it to 0. What I'm doing here basically, I'm doing sum of even numbers, which is 8. What I'm doing, I'm basically finding out the even numbers here. What are the even numbers? X modulus 2. -2 is even number. 0, no. 3, no. 6, yes. 3. 4, 2, yes. Now I have reduced this 0 to, let me show you more about it. Let me change this to 5 and let me do it back. Answer is 2. Now let me change this to 14. Answer would be 12 because 14 divided by 2 and yes, it is even number. And if you have done it like this, 6 here, answer would be 4. 4 because 6 is an even number, -2 even number, 6 minus 2 4. And let me come back to the initial. Let me bring this to 4, 6 plus 4 10, 10 minus 2 it would be 8. Let me bring this to 14, 14 plus 6 20, 20 minus 2 it would be 18. Yes. So this is my last example on screen. Let's see further on the advantages of using lambda expression in my next video. Thanks.